Right guys, today we're going to be comparing Proxy4U versus Webshare.io. Now, obviously I've never seen Webshare before, so I'm going to be doing an honest and totally transparent review compared to them both in regards to individuals and businesses. Now, before I jump in, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. Right, up first is Proxy4U. That's proxyforyu.com. Links will be down in the description for you to do your own due diligence. But what we can see here straight from the off is go further in the digital world, get ahead with the curve with the ultra reliable, high flexible proxies that effortlessly sidestep all the geo restrictions on day one. Exactly what you need when you want to make full use of the digital world like never before. Now, as we go down, we can see that digital just got smarter, go further, work smarter in a way that puts you in control from the moment you get started. Exactly what's needed to be able to scrape data like a pro, make short work of geo restrictions and accelerate in every way imaginable. Okay, so we can see here as well a plan just for you. You've got your residential proxies from $2.50, and then you've got data center proxies from $1.50, pay as you go, and mobile proxies from $3.50, which is they're all a pay as you go as well. Okay, so if we just click on the residential proxies, gives you a little bit more of an advanced section. Okay, so it's simple to use service that can take you anywhere from the world. So all of these are ticked. You can have a 1 GB plan. You can have a starter, advanced, or enterprise, and it covers every single one of them. It obviously all depends on whether you're individual or a business in the market. Okay, so they're saying it's a service that delivers no expiry dates, no monthly fees, no limitations. Residential proxy plan designed for long-term use. It's a stress-free payment term and pay-as-you-go flexibility. Data center proxy plans made for any real-world application, and then mobile proxy plan is made for any real-world application as well. But the good thing about this is they cater for multiple different devices. I haven't seen that in many different proxy plans, so the fact that they do cover all the 3 different device plans, then obviously a big tick for me. Okay, so always here to help, trusted by travelers, leveraged by sellers, utilized by analysts, and loved by SAS brands. Recommended by business owners with a trust pilot of 5 stars based on 20+ reviews, which you can click on that and obviously do your due diligence in that section. Now, obviously this caters for multiple different professions as well. You've got business owners, internet marketers, data analysts, e-commerce professionals, and travel enthusiasts as well. But if we were to just take a look at business owners, we can see strategically positioned for success, any location, any content, any usage level. Their simple pay-as-you-go model comes with 1 GB for free and it never expires. So you're not forced to do like a monthly option where you have to make sure you do everything in that month. Once you've purchased the plan, you can take as long as you need or as quick as you need to complete that. Okay, so if you're ready to scale mobile residential business, enjoy a 100% ethical approach that puts you in control every step of the way. They also have a free trial. You simply just click start now. But there we have it. That was Proxy4U. Now let's take a look at Webshare.io. Obviously they have a slightly lower trust pilot, but they're saying they're the most reliable proxy with unparalleled performance. You can unlock limitless web data collection built on the most fast and reliable infrastructure, 500k data center, ISP, and 30 million residential proxies. These are available for web scraping, AI development, social media management, e-commerce scraping, and SEO. Okay, so their solutions are very similar. It's proxy servers, static residential, and residential proxies. So these are a monthly payment though. So these aren't like pay as you go. These are you pay for a month and then you're paying every single month even if you don't use it. Okay, so they have a global proxy network, most reliable proxy network provider, they're saying, with a monthly proxy requests of 650 billion, paid users of 60k, and monthly active users of 120k. They also have a very good customer support section and developer friendly with a seamless proxy dashboard. Right guys, there we have it. That was Proxy4U versus Webshare.io. Now, in conclusion, and personally for me, I feel that Proxy4U is the clear choice for businesses and individuals looking for a reliable, high performance and feature rich residential proxy. I base this on their superior network, their clean interface. It's really easy to use, nice and simple, keeps everything nice and relaxed. For example, they have advanced targeting, multiple different devices available for multiple different companies and also different job roles. Not only that, but with their 5-star Trustpilot and their high level customer satisfaction in their customer support department, it ticks every box for me. But honestly, click on those links down in the description. Let me know your opinion and drop a comment down below. I always like to keep an eye out to see your opinion, whether they match mine as well. But thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, press that bell to be notified of my next video. But for now, peace.